So today's recipe is butternut squash for baby. So you want to already heat your oven to 425 degrees, and you want to place your oven rack. On your oven rack, place aluminum foil or parchment paper, and then add your butternut squash that was cut up, and then place it in the oven for about 45 minutes to 60 minutes, and then put it to your blender so that it can mix all up and get to that puree consistency that you like for your baby. Add water, and you can have it like that, but I like to spice mine up. I like to add different seasonings. I'm going to show you just in a few seconds the seasonings that I add. I add turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, or you can add cumin, 1/4 tablespoon of cumin, and let it blend. And thank you so much for watching. That is my recipe, and enjoy. Bye bye.